Big news alert, Samsung's One UI 8.5 beta is finally here for Galaxy S25 users, but why the wait? Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're a Samsung fan eagerly awaiting the next big leap in smartphone software, buckle up. The long-anticipated One UI 8.5 beta has just popped up on Samsung's internal servers, hinting that public testing might kick off sooner than we thought. But here's where it gets exciting, and a tad frustrating. This update was supposed to launch back in November, yet delays tied to the upcoming Galaxy S26 lineup threw a wrench in the works. Stick around, because we're diving deep into what this means for you and why it could spark some heated debates among Android lovers. For those new to the Samsung ecosystem, let's break it down simply. One UI is Samsung's custom skin on top of Google's Android, adding features like enhanced customization, better multitasking, and seamless integrations with Samsung devices. The latest version, One UI 8.5, is slated to come pre-installed on the Galaxy S26 series next year. Think of it as a fresh coat of paint and new tools that make your phone feel faster, smarter, and more intuitive. For example, it might include improved AI-powered photo editing or smoother scrolling in apps, making everyday tasks like browsing social media or gaming feel effortless. Now, on to the juicy details. The first One UI 8.5 beta build has been discovered on Samsung's test servers, as spotted by eagle-eyed tipster Tarun Vats. The specific firmware versions, S938 NKSU7ZYKP, S938 NOKR7ZYKP, and S938 NKSU7CYKP, are those telltale signs of internal testing. These codes, which you can learn more about in Samsung community forums, indicate that the software is being rigorously checked before it hits the wider public. If you're wondering what a beta is, it's essentially a preview edition of the update where users like you can test it out, report bugs, and help refine it before the final release. It's like being a beta tester for a blockbuster movie. You get early access, but there might be a few glitches along the way. Originally, Samsung had planned to roll out this beta program in November, but reports suggest it was postponed due to shifts in the Galaxy S26 lineup. Maybe they tweaked the hardware specs or added unexpected features that required extra software adjustments. And this is the part most people miss: why delay something so anticipated? Some might argue it's smart to ensure quality, preventing rushed releases that could frustrate users. Others might see it as a missed opportunity to keep excitement high. But here's where it gets controversial. By giving Galaxy S25 owners first dibs on the beta, is Samsung rewarding loyalty or just using older devices as guinea pigs to iron out issues before the flagship S26 hits shelves? It's an interesting twist that might divide fans. Are you okay with testing on last year's model, or do you wish Samsung prioritized the newest hardware? Despite the hiccups, it looks like those delays are in the rearview mirror. One UI 8.5 is poised to launch natively with the Galaxy S26 next year, but Galaxy S25 users are set to be the trailblazers. Following Samsung's typical rollout pattern, expect the beta to debut in South Korea by the end of December, then spread to other regions like the US, Germany, India, and the UK. This phased approach ensures broader testing and feedback, which can lead to a more polished final product, but it also means not everyone gets in on the action right away. For instance, if you've got a Galaxy S25, you might be tweaking new features this holiday season, while others wait impatiently. All in all, this beta surfacing is a promising sign for Samsung's software roadmap. It shows the company is actively iterating and listening to user input, which is crucial in the fast-paced world of mobile tech. Yet, it raises questions. Should updates like this be exclusive to certain devices first, or should everyone get equal access? And what do you think about the delays? Necessary evil or poor planning? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Do you agree that testing on older models is fair, or do you believe Samsung should focus on new releases? Share your take and let's discuss. Your opinions could shape how we view Samsung's strategy going forward. Thank you for being part of our community. Read our comment policy before posting. Follow.